Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to easily add or insert borders in Google Sheets for clean data. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Sheet. Okay, and here I have opened one of the sample sales data. Okay, and here you can see so many different columns like last name, first name, booking, sales, and all. Okay. And now suppose if I want to add the borders to this particular sheet for a clean data means for that what you can do is like here you can select this particular option called borders, and here you can apply whichever the type of the border you want, whether you want for all the borders or you want for the inner borders, horizontal borders, vertical borders, and all. Okay, and similarly you can change the border style and you can also change the border colors. Okay, so now let's try to select the particular range or for whichever the cells we want. Okay, so in this example I am going to take for all the cells, so I will just click on here and I will select for all the columns. Okay, so now I will click on this particular option called borders. Let's click on this particular option called borders, and here I'm going to select for all the borders. Okay, so now you can see the borders has been added and the data looks very clean and tidy. Okay, so now let's try to do some kind of examples by clicking on the borders. So here you can see the border color and the border style and all. So now let's try to select the border color and I will change it to yellow on all the borders. Okay, so here you can change it to the different colors, whether you want for the green or yellow or you want it for the red. Okay, similarly you can select for all the borders, and here you can select the border style, whether you want for the thicker line or you want the border style to be in this format or you want the border style to be in this particular format. Okay, so this is how you can select the borders, and you can also change the border color and you can also change the border style. Okay, so this is how you can easily add or insert the borders in Google Sheets. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.